You'll quickly learn how to turn off the Copilot icon on Outlook mobile application. The first is to open the Outlook mobile. Once you're here, you can see the Copilot icon at the bottom right. You can see that, but I don't want it to show again. So what you need to do is to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top left. Then tap on settings, which is the gear icon. This will take you to this place. The next step is to tap on Copilot. Then toggle on the button by tapping on it once. Okay, give it time and it's off. So let's get back home to see if we can see that again. You can see it's no longer there. If you consider this video helpful, just consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, hit the like button and leave a comment. Okay, if you have anything you want to ask, just drop that in the comment section. See you some other time.